Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this keyboard. I'll reveal to you the name of this keyboard in a while. Okay, now let's jump into this keyboard. Okay, so I bought this product of Amazon and I saw it to be quite a good product. I'll jump into it and I'll get back to you. The way this is unboxing, the way this is packaged is crazy. It's got plastic all over it. I'll just remove the plastic and I'll get back to you in a bit. Okay. I'm sorry I can't do it with two hands because I'm recording with my phone in the other hand. Finally, it's out of this plastic. This plastic is too good. It's too much. There's a side. And so this is the keyboard. Let me jump into this packaging. Sorry. This package is in the way. Okay, I'll get back to you. So finally, after a long time, I'm in the box. Here's it. Okay, this is everything. As you can see, the name of this keyboard is called Xcite Neo Keyboard. Multimedia keyboard with soft feel keys. Okay, let's jump into it. This is specifications. It's spill resistant and all this so and so. Okay, let's jump into it. Now, remove this tag over here. Okay, moment. Yeah, finally it's here. This feels good, really good in the hand. Let me remove the keyboard. This is all you get in the box, the keyboard. Let me keep this aside. This box, everything out of the way. And let's look at the keyboard itself. Plastic out. Okay, so this is the keyboard. My initial impressions are this keyboard looks very nice, and the main best feature about this keyboard is that it has these extra buttons on top, such as mute, calculator, web browser, home, mail, so and so, your music input keys and your volume up down keys. That is the best part. These keys feel kind of good. They are nice and soft. They are not like other keyboards. They are very soft and they are very quiet. They do not make the click 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 sound like other keyboards, and they are quite good. The name of the keyboard is called Amkette, as you see. This is everything about the keyboard. It has these stand type things which can raise the height of the keyboard. Also, it has this type of USB cable which can plug into the computer. Also, be aware to check your keyboard for damages and so on, because do not want to trust the so-called seller. As you can see, this top icon over here is slightly tilted and it's not aligned, so be careful to check to that. Overall, this keyboard looks very nice and everything is quite good. I'll be using this keyboard for my various games, my various typing work. If you have any queries, please let me know in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.